Hey, it's Mike. I want to show you a big mover that happened right after market close on Friday. Fluidigm Corporation soared up 16% after hours. So Fluidigm Corporation is basically this sort of micro fluid testing company. Basically, they could take like a saliva test and figure out just about everything in your body. Well, basically, the big reason why it popped is that they have a COVID test, a saliva COVID test that's going to be offered in the federal program. In fact, in the Seek and Alpha story, they said that 10,000 of Fluidigm's testing kits were sent to Waco County. So this is just the beginning of a big rollout. So it looks like this company had a big pop. Let's see what happens on Monday. But the cool thing about this company is that it's not a penny stock. It's about $7 a share. The market cap is about 481 million. If it's going to go into the federal program, they're going to have to sell or manufacture millions of these kits, maybe like tens of millions of these kits. And that the potential is that Fluidigm could really just grow exponentially over the next couple of months. If you see this chart, it's a pretty ugly looking chart. So the one thing I would that is above it, that's below its 50-day moving average. So its 50-day moving average is 7.64, and the stock is at 6.75. So 7.64 is the key number here, the 50-day moving average. After hours, it's up 7.83. So if it could get past on Monday 7.64, it'll be above the 50-day moving average, which will be really positive because that's where a lot of computerized programming, they'll buy stocks that are above the 50-day moving average. So if you go look at Fluidigm Corporation, the stock symbol is FLDM. Be sure to watch that 50-day moving average level, 7.64. Like I said, if it could remain above that level, I personally like stocks that are not just above 50-day moving average, but it's like it's about get about 5% above that level. So let's say about 8. I personally would not go into Fluidigm until it was above 8. But give it a little while because sometimes when you have these big pops, you get some gap traders that'll short it down a little bit. But just watch it for a couple of days. If it could stay above its 50-day moving average and get a 5% cushion there, I think that this is going to be a big runner because I do think the second wave of COVID is going to hit really hard in the winter, and they're going to want to aggressively roll out these testings to find out who's positive and how they can treat the disease, treat the virus, and all that. So just to pass that along, I know after markets on Fridays, people are not really focused on the market. So that's why I wanted to make a video, just to let you know, get you prepared for Monday. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe because I come out with breaking news on stocks as they happen.